Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I discussed the unboxing of my Smittybilt XRC winch. Here are the components here for the winch. I went into greater detail about them on my previous video, and we're going to be installing them today on my winch bumper for my Jeep. So we got the instructions, we got the parts, we got the tools, and the right personnel. That's my wife. So let's get started. So the first bit of the installation is installing the solenoid to the actual drum itself. So you just take your wires to your solenoid box and you match the letter to the letter on the back of the motor on the winch. So for example, wire B attaches to the letter B post. So this will just go right here. Okay, now that we're done wiring the solenoid to the winch, we're now going to attach the solenoid box itself to the winch. Two options that Smittybilt gives you to install their winch solenoid box. You can install it here, here. So we're going to mount the winch here. We'll take the aluminum brackets that are provided, install them here, and then we'll place the winch into its appropriate spot. So I provide you with two small nuts to install on these lips that will hold the solenoid box in place. There you go. Alright, so continuing on, the control box mounted. Now when it comes to actually installing the winch onto the bumper, you have four mounting places, two on each side at the bottom. There's one, there's the other, and then there's a mounting spot here and up there. All that's left for the install is routing your positive and negative wires that I have just hanging right there. Route them all the way up to your battery terminal. Make sure you have yourself a good battery. Once then, we'll then install our fair lead, and then after we get the fair lead done, we'll be ready to test this bad boy out. Alright, let's get it going. So, always exercise extreme caution when working on winches. Got myself right here, right there. This bumper makes it a pain in the butt to be able to get that winch on. So good luck to anybody that tries to steal it. You'll end up looking like me, or probably even worse. Alright, so once you get your winch in, you take your wiring and you want to wire positive to positive and negative to negative. Always when you're doing electrical work, disconnect your battery. That should go without saying. And the way I wired my lines, here's your positive right here, and then your negative is this wire right here. I routed them here around your fuse box, clipped them together using zip ties, ran them all the way down underneath here. They come underneath, and we'll hook them up right there. Now the process is to get this fair lead on. That's a simple installation. You have two bolt holes, two bolts, a couple washers, and then a nut on for each one. Hook that up, get it tight, and then we'll go ahead and get this winch finally wrapped up. Alright, success. We have the cable on. Everything's nice and tight. The winch is operating great. Sounds awesome, sounds healthy. It doesn't look like it's taking too big of a draw. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I appreciate the view, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. You come on back now. Alright.